Ever yawned just because someone else did? You're not just tired, your brain's syncing up. Yawning helps cool the brain down, like a built-in thermostat. When your brain gets too warm, mental performance drops. That yawn? It boosts alertness by regulating temperature. But here's the wild part, it's contagious. That's thanks to mirror neurons, the cells that fire when you see someone else act or feel something. They help with empathy, and yes, yawns. Dogs, chimps, and even birds catch yawns too. So next time you yawn after someone else, don't worry, your brain's just saying, "Hey, I feel you." Thank you for watching. Subscription is not just support, it's an unwritten contract of love.